Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a quick Grove collaborative box. It's very heavy, but I think I know what it's loaded down with, which is what I thought I'd come on and tell you guys about. Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto shipment delivery service, and they deliver all natural home, beauty, and personal care products to you. And I have mine come once a month. You can go in and change around your schedule, but you do have to be in charge of it. You want to be aware of going in monthly or every 2 months, however you have it set up, and be sure you have in your cart what you want. They email you a lot. You really have to be ignoring your emails to not know when your goodies are coming, because they usually let me know at least a couple of times. And each month I get something different and I love it. And my favorite part is they do all of the Mrs. Meyer's products and they do the seasonals. So I don't have to worry about being at Target the day they hit because they sell out so quickly. These prices are usually better than anything I find out there. And when you first sign up, and I will put my link below, when you first sign up, you get 5 free products, generally a Mrs. Meyer hand soap, a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and a Mrs. Meyer all-purpose cleaner. And you can pick the flavors you want as a rule, and they give you 2 additional products. Let's dig in here and see what I've got. This is Meet Roven, and I think this is their new sister company that you can do through their website. And basically what it's telling us on the back is they have a new sister company that is doing cleaner beauty products, and they're selling them through the Grove site. Let's just dig right in and see what I've got. Also, if you order like 35, 50, it depends each month worth of products, they send you free items as a rule too. So I've had so many ways to try these products. And I will tell you, I love Grove, but I will tell you right now, I had a girlfriend ask me the other day, she's like, okay, what should I order and what should I not order? And I said to her, I don't order their paper products. I have tried the toilet paper and the paper towels and been thrilled with neither. Don't care for either one of them. I find them too thin. And the paper towels are just, to my way of thinking, they're horrible. So there's your honest opinion. I love everything else they do, but the actual Grove paper towels that they make out of bamboo that are so much better for the environment, useless. The Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. I get this almost every month. It's what I use to clean my bathroom with. I also get, which I don't think I needed this month, I did not. I use the Method Daily Shower Cleaner, and about every 3rd or 4th month I can actually skip it, but as a rule I get that one every month too, and I just love knowing I never have to think about it again. So this month I did my Mrs. Meyer's Christmas haul. I love the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine scent. I just love it. It's like a fresh forest. And I love it when that's the counter cleaner. I got 3 of the dish liquids because I have found seasonally it takes me 3 of the dish liquids, because I do my dishes by hand because it's just my husband and I as a rule, to 1 of the counter cleaners. They run out close to about the same time. Sometimes I have some counter cleaner left. And in that same amount of time, I also use a hand soap. And this is the Iowa Pine hand soap. And when I first signed up, I received a tray that has room on it for me to put 1 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these side by side on the tray right next to my sink. And it makes it all so handy. But I love the Iowa Pine so much that I also got this month the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine hand soap, an extra one for in the bathroom, because I have one of those Simple Human where you just put your hand under it and it automatically dispenses it. And I love the Iowa Pine so much I wanted it for in the bathroom too. I also got a Grove Collaborative bar soap in Winter Woods. Honestly, I thought it was something my husband might like to try. Winter Woods sounded very nice and masculine to me, and I was intrigued. And I wanted to try one of the Grove winter products, and it just looks like that, almost like a glycerin bar. Oh, it does smell masculine to me. I don't know what about woods just made me think masculine, but that is very nice. And it says their 100% natural bar soap has just what your winter skin needs, a soothing blend of nourishing coconut and olive oils, plus the festive scent of fir mingled with energizing citrus. That smells fantastic. I will report back what I think of that, just like I did with the toilet paper and the paper towels. This is the Delicates laundry bag. And I got this. It's a set of 2 bags because I use a lot of Norwex products that I wash separately. And you know, ladies have unmentionables that sometimes you don't want just sloshing around in there with everything else. And somebody said how big the largest one of these was, and they were not kidding. Look how big that biggest one is. I love that. You could get a full-sized sweater or shirt. Some of the clothes that I have gotten from Fashom say that they should be hand washed, and sometimes I still throw them in the laundry, but I'd feel better about it if when I did that, I could put it in a bag. And look, this has it so that the pull is tucked up underneath, so it's good and secure. I can just pull it out. And we have the big one, and inside we have a smaller one, which is not small by any stretch. It's easily, ladies, that's easily good enough for a bra or two. There are other things you could put in here too, but that's just what came to mind. And then they're just, I'm thrilled with those. And last but not least this month, because like I said, it was a small order. Because I've been ordering so well, I didn't need a bunch. I got the I'm a Tough Scrubber with a soft touch. And what they are the coconut scrubber sponges. And the front is the white, just regular sponge material, and the back is like coconut husk. So it gives you a little scrubby scrub. They make these also with walnut, but I'm allergic to walnut. And I'm sure it's part of the walnut that I would never eat, and it makes no, but I've always been slightly afraid of using it. Non-abrasive and perfect for use on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. Top rack dishwasher safe. So that is what I got this month from my Grove Collaborative. And I am thrilled because I now have my Christmas Iowa pine, and I am taping this the day before Thanksgiving. I'm not really sure when it's going to go up, but I am ready for my Iowa pine. I've been ready for a few days, but I haven't had a chance to tape yet, so I didn't have the box open. If you have any interest in the Grove Collaborative, I will put the link below, and you can go check it out, give it a look-see. Like I said, when you first go there, if you sign up, you get 5 free products. You'll get one of these, not necessarily in this scent. I believe you can pick your scent. One of these, plus 2 more products, which is usually something like maybe the sponges that I just showed you. And they were giving away the big tin that they have, that's an enamelware tin that you keep your cleaning products in. Super cool. I will put the link below. I will talk to you guys really soon. Thanks for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.